I found this tractor, and it was a few years ago actually. In 2014, I restored a tractor for the state fair and ended up getting grand champion. And while I was looking for parts for that, because Lord knows that everything wasn't there on the other one, and there's worn out parts on all this old stuff, being from the 60s, I came across a guy, and my dad knew him for a long time. My dad works at the implement dealership here in Monticello. We actually saw this tractor sitting in his shed, and the shed was not in too good a condition. There was a big hill behind it, and it was caving in the structure of it. So I asked him, I said, when I get my 806 done, which that was my first tractor, I said, I'm gonna come and get that tractor. He said, okay, it'll be yours. He said, I just got a little job for you. So what turned out to be is I had to replace the rear end in a 2+2 International, and that was a 6788. And he said, if you do that for me, I'll give you that tractor. And adding up the hours, it looked like it was more favorable on his end, but it was a great experience. And I did end up getting the tractor, and it was in just as bad a condition as when I saw it before, and it had a few less pieces after sitting there for 3 years. The guy that I got it from, that I had done the work for, he lives in the hilliest ground of Jones County. This was the only tractor that he had never rolled down a hill, and thank God he's still alive today, because there's a lot of equipment out there that is not in as good a condition as what I got this one, which that's saying something about it. Our equipment on our farm is the same age as the tractor I'm restoring, but we use it every day, and it's not easy to take a piece of equipment out of our fleet, especially when you look at most of it. It's almost in new condition. We like to take care of our equipment, and I like to see everything the way it was originally.